Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Time. I'm Paul, and with me is Emily. How are you, Emily?
I'm good, Paul. Thank you. And how are you today?
I'm great. Emily, today I was thinking we could talk about one of the most important verbs in English.
Oh, let me guess. Is it the verb to be?
Exactly. The verb to be is like the heart of English. Without it, we cannot make simple sentences.
That's so true. And the good news is beginners can start using to be right away. For example, I can say, I am Emily.
Yes, and I can say, I am Paul. See, we already introduced ourselves just using the verb to be.
Right. And we also use it to describe how we feel. Like I said earlier, I am good. And you said, I am great.
Exactly. So let's give more examples. If someone asks, Are you tired? I can answer, No, I am not tired. I am happy.
Or if someone asks me, Are you hungry? I can say, Yes, I am hungry. I am ready for lunch.
That's perfect. And notice we use is, and are. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are.
That's a great reminder. Maybe we can show how it works with people. For example, he is my brother. She is my sister. They are my friends.
Exactly. And in everyday life, we use this all the time. At work, I can say, I am busy. At home, I can say, I am tired.
And at school, students can say, We are in class. The teacher is nice.
Yes, it's everywhere. Beginners don't need to worry about difficult grammar. Just practice with simple sentences.
I agree. A good way is to describe yourself. For example, I am Emily. I am a teacher. I am happy today.
And I can say, I am Paul. I am a student. I am excited to learn.
That's a fun exercise. If our listeners practice every day, they will feel more confident.
Absolutely. So remember, the verb to be is small but very powerful.
Yes, and the more you use it, the more natural English will feel.
Great advice, Emily. That's all for today's episode of English Listening Time.
Thanks for listening, and don't forget to practice. See you next time.